This AI content system just generated 4 LinkedIn posts from one YouTube transcript in under 2 minutes. And it's booking me 10 plus book calls every single week. And I'm about to show you exactly how it works. See, if you're like most business owners, you're probably spending 2 to 3 hours every single day creating content. One LinkedIn post takes 30 minutes, a Twitter thread, another hour. And by the time you're done, you've gotten one piece of content and you're totally burnt out. Meanwhile, the competitors are posting 5 times more content and getting all the attention. And there's got to be a better way, right? Well, there exactly is. And what if I told you, just from one YouTube transcript, I could create 4 different LinkedIn posts, a lead magnet, a thought leadership content, a simple piece of content, a valuable post, each optimized with different psychological triggers, all in under 10 minutes, along with a lead magnet for Twitter and a value-driven post for Twitter as well. So let me show you exactly how this works. Can we create a thought leadership piece of content for this post? So I'm just dumping the entire transcript and let's take a look at the post that comes out on the other end of things. So as you can see, this is my AI content system, my personal content system that I use for myself. And I'm posting the transcript of last week's video. And you can see it is triggering the exact files that we want to be using. And let's just give it a sec. As you can see, this is the exact post that came out on the other end of things. And we're going to review the copy. Don't worry. We're going to review the copy as well. And this is specifically trained, guys, to write it in a lot longer of a word count, if it makes sense. So if you can see, I was drowning in a graveyard of 10 plus AI projects, LinkedIn ghostwriter, Twitter agent, lead magnet creator, newsletter generator, each one isolated. As you can see, it's optimized for the exact style. So we can make this, as we can see, we can add the dividers over here. Close this, we can add the dividers. There we go. And there we go. So this is specifically trained. I have specifically trained my thought leader agent to be a lot more comprehensive, to propel me and show me as an expert in what I do. Okay, now what we're going to do is, let's repurpose this for lead magnet. Okay, so can we repurpose this for a LinkedIn lead magnet post? And the hook can be something along the lines of, this AI content system has been booking me 10 plus book calls, or something along the lines of that. So super vague, guys. I didn't even give it honestly any type of an input, and that's how amazing it is. It's so effortless. All you have to do is just talk to it and tell it. Now, as we can see, let's take a look at the copy. Let it put the entire thing over here, and it is perfect. And this is not AI slop, guys. This sounds exactly like how I write. If you know my lead magnets, this is how I like doing my CTA. It's got the psychological triggers, it's got my personality, and it knows my business context. Very important. What a lead magnet. This AI content system has been booking me 10 plus qualified calls every week, and I'm giving you the exact framework for free. People know exactly what they're getting. Boom. One unified intelligence system that knows my entire business context. As we can see, the results speak for themselves, guys. We have the result driven section as well. 10 plus qualified book calls, 0 context switching, blah, blah, blah. And then want the complete thing, connect with me, this thing, taking it down in 48 hours. We're creating a bit of a time gap over there as well, as we can see, and repost if your content creation deserves better than guesswork. Perfect. Okay, now let's just go super quick. I'm going to show you other types of posts. Okay, can we make a LinkedIn dumb down post now? And let me just re-edit this. So guys, when I say dumb down, it just means like a really simple post. Because sometimes I really like to put my copy really simple because we don't want to get too technical. Typically what I see is the more sophisticated your content, the lesser reach it gets. So that is really good for bottom of the funnel. But as you can see, now it's really simple, right? Short sentences. Your AI doesn't know who you are. So anyone who's brand new to AI would actually understand this copy. Whereas the thought leadership post I put, that is pretty complicated, right? As you can see, once again, I'm just going to quickly copy it just to show you. As you can see, it's perfect. If we look over here, why our AI content sounds like garbage, how to fix it, are treating it like a broken vending machine. AI doesn't know, it's clean, bulleted points, your AI. The fix is stupidly simple. I love that. Step 1, step 2, step 3, boom. 3 posts I've generated, guys, in 5 minutes. And that's because I'm showing examples. Okay, now can we convert this to a value post? I just have another system I've trained on the back end to present this with another psychological trigger, another way of writing. Basically just different forms of expression. And let's take a look at this one finally. And I'm going to show you exactly how it does here. There we go. It's the same type of a post like thought leadership, but it is different. As you can see, step 1, step 2, step 3. It is just formatted differently because I like, I like having my content be dynamic. Then it has before and after sections. And finally, okay, now can we convert this to a lead magnet post for X and a live post for X as well, for Twitter? I'm going to tell it to do both of them in one go. And look at this copy, guys. Your AI should know your business like your best employee, not a random contractor you found on Fiverr. The copy bangs every single time. And now look at the Twitter post. It is perfect. Once again, reply, retweet, follow. This is how you do the CTAs in Twitter as well. Must be following so I can DM you. This took me 6 weeks to perfect. Agencies charge for basic version, giving it away for free for 24 hours before it goes client only. Perfect. And now here we have a valuable post. So this is akin to the LinkedIn version of a valuable post, but for Twitter now. Okay. And as you can see, it is clean once again. And guys, this is the exact system that is booking me 10 plus qualified calls every single week. And I'm generating over 300,000 impressions per week across all my socials. One transcript became 6 revenue generating assets. One in under 7 minutes. What used to take my team probably 6-7 hours now literally takes 5 minutes. And here's the thing. You probably know me for creating or building crazy end-to-end workflows and automations, complex automations. But even those only work if your AI actually knows your business. Most people think that they can just copy paste some prompts and get results like this. But simply said, you absolutely cannot do it. Because generic prompts create generic content. And the secret is not in the prompts, it is in the context. And that is exactly why I built this over here. If you take a look at it, this context profile generator, and I'm giving this exact system to you for free, where this system, if we come over here, this is exactly what I'm going to be providing in the copy of it as well. This system teaches your AI who you are, what your business does, who your audience is, and how you communicate. Without this foundation, any AI system you produce is going to create generic garbage content, whether that be sales copy, that be email copy, or that be content creation as a whole in of itself. With this, every system I show you actually works. I've been building AI automation systems and you've seen me building them for quite a long time now. And I've seen thousands of people try to replicate and copy what I do and fail miserably. And the difference is not the tools, guys. It is context engineering. So use this exact context profile generator that powers every system I build myself. The link is in the description. So you can use this to now create your brand profile, context profile, your ICP, your brand voice, your business context profile. And now when you embed that and inject that into any prompt, any system you create from now on, whether that be end-to-end workflows or Claude projects, GPT projects, you're going to be getting world-class out. 95% of people will just see this post, save it, maybe bookmark it, and not act upon it. But if you're actually part of the 5% who implement this, your content will finally start booking you real calls instead of just getting likes. So download this, set it up, and watch how your AI suddenly starts producing content that actually sounds like you and converts your audience. So the link is in the description and it is in the copy as well. Have a good time, and if you got any questions, just let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer them about how to use the system.